today we're going to bring an outdoor camera, and now this one, it's going to be a very powerful camera. We're going to put it together right now, and it does come with a little solar panel, but it's going to grab a punch. Just make sure you put it in the right direction for the extra light. They give you a couple mounts here and instructions how to download the app. So we're going to put this together right now, and we're going to hang it up and see how much solar panel we can get. So right now we have perfect lighting, so let's go ahead and start recording right now. So we're going to put it right now into the app, and then we're going to start recording. Now, another thing I forgot to mention, this is very important, underneath of it is when you plug in the actual USB, there's a silicone cover. When you remove the silicone cover, you do have an SD card, a micro SD card, reset button, a power button, and then you'll have to charge it through here, right? This is a USB. There's also additional cover just for that USB type C. Just want you to see where I put the camera. We're doing a night shot too, so it's really high up there. It's about 12 feet high. I want to see how it works in day and night. So this is the camera in the daytime. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is a night shot. I do have a light over me, so but you can get dark out here, and you can see really good. So, go back. What happened? Why are you pointing at me? What happened? No jumping.